Hey, it's Noe with WTI. Have you been looking for a creative way to display your guitars or instruments? Well, now you can with this guitar stand from LFCREATOR. This guitar stand holds up to 5 guitars. This stand comes into 3 sections. The first section allows you to display up to 3 guitars. What I love is that it has protective gripping on the bottom and also on the top, so you're not going to scuff or damage your guitars or instruments you may put on here. With this 3-tiered shelf, you're able to display other things as well. The third section allows you to display 2 guitars, which I was able to display my guitars along with their cases in there. A neat feature is that it allows you to maneuver the prongs so you can go as small as you would like or as wide as you would like to offer that support. Assembly is required with this stand. Now, I was able to build this stand all by myself. What I will say is that upon opening the package, you'll want to make sure that you read the directions thoroughly and also align all of the pre-drilled holes to make sure that everything will line up correctly. This piece is beautiful. So if you're looking for a fun and creative way to display your guitars or instruments with the functionality to be able to display other items, then I would highly recommend this 3-tier guitar stand from LFCREATOR. And that's my point of view.